On August the 16th, I closed with Town Bank in Greenbrier section of Chesapeake, Virginia, 2023 at 11 a.m. I got my keys. This is my first home. It's a 2-bedroom with a loft. It has 3 baths. I have a nice patio. 5 years ago, or 4.5 years ago, a little before I went to the upcenter, I felt like I was at a crossroad. And at the crossroad, I'm like, Lord, I'm tired of people putting me out of their houses, selling their houses. And I asked myself, what can I do to make my life better with something that I really want to accomplish with a home? I went on the first-time home buyers class for the 3rd time, but the 3rd time I struck luck, and that was with the upcenter. They have been so great to me. Miss Shawnette and Miss Tiffany kept encouraging me. I walked away a couple of times. I walked away from shopping, doing unnecessary things that a woman would do, which is buying clothes, buying shoes, buying things that's unnecessary. Of course, I had a checklist from Miss Shawnette, a real long checklist, and everything was on it. And she did not let me slide with one. Well, Miss Rita, what was this about? Where did you go to buy this? Now, you really need to slow up on that spending. I will never, ever forget the upcenter. And I tell anyone that want to find me to build their credit, I can't do what the upcenter do, but I can tell them how I got started. And it wasn't easy. It was hard. If I can do it, really seriously, anybody should be able to go out there and buy a house. I love to cook. My first meal would be Great Northern beans with green beans, pigtails, cornbread, and some baked chicken in the oven. It's not easy, but if it's something that you want, through the good and the bad, you will ride it out. And that's what I did. This is my house, and I claim it by the grace of God. I just tell people, it's hard. We're living in a world now where times are tight. You have, in order to get something and somewhere, you have to make that sacrifice. And the upcenter is the building in Norfolk, Virginia.